I love finding more ways to be water efficient. I enjoy hiking in the wilderness, and that inspires me to preserve our natural resources. Working for the City of Palo Alto Utilities, I get to show my customers how easy it is to start small and make big differences. Water in California is scarce, so it is important for Palo Altans to conserve water every day, regardless of our rainfall situation. That's why we make it easy for you by offering free water conserving devices, free water surveys, and rebates for replacing water-intensive fixtures and landscapes. With simple repairs and upgrades, you can save time and money. Let us show you how. Most customers don't realize that during the hot summer weather, over half the water they use is being guzzled up by their landscape. During the summer, that often means nearly 600 gallons per day of pure Hetch Hetchy water for the average single-family home. I can show residents how to take big steps like replacing lawn, or small steps such as changing watering times and repairing leaking hoses and sprinklers. You can create a lovely garden that attracts both singing birds and pollinators, like butterflies and bees. At the same time, your garden can use water more efficiently and be easier to maintain than more typical landscapes. I share with customers the efficiency strategies that I use in my own home so they know I truly walk the talk. I take what I personally do at home and share that knowledge. Whether it's changing a shower head or taking out that lawn, big change happens through little adjustments. Learn more about our free home water efficiency consultations, rebates, workshops, and landscaping resources at our website or by calling. Check out all the programs and workshops we offer. It makes me feel good knowing that what I do for you is a win-win for you and the environment.